Hello, I'm Sue Mason and I'm the Registered Manager of Pen-Coed Care Home, which is part of the Dale Roads group. We have 5 homes altogether, 4 in Pembrokeshire and 1 in Carmarthenshire. I first became aware of My Home Life a few years ago when I attended a conference in Cardiff and was very pleased to hear and share with other managers of My Home Life homes the good practice that was going on. Pen-Coed is committed to following the My Home Life Cymru ethos and ensures the residents are at the heart of the relationship-centred care they provide. The team at Pen-Coed has truly broken the mould with regard to the expectations of its residents. It has a strong belief that living with dementia should not stop people from living a fulfilled life. It's not a question of days out for these residents, but full-blown foreign holidays, and they are organised as often as possible. In April 2014, a cruise to the Norwegian fjords was organised, chosen because all the facilities were on hand, including medical assistance if needed. For some of the residents, this was their first time abroad, so they also had the excitement of applying for a passport, shopping for new clothes and packing their suitcases, as well as the new experience of going on a cruise. There were so many activities on board throughout the day, and in the evening, everyone dressed up for dinner and enjoyed dancing too, if they wanted.
My name's Glenda Rogers. I'm 80 this year. In fact, my birthday was a few weeks ago in January. So that's another little hallmark past, isn't it, you know? As I say, my problem is mobility more than anything. Well, it is only mobility. I mean, if this leg would work, I'm fine. I could do anything, you know. And I understand you might be going to Spain this year. I've been to Spain more than anywhere else, I've got to say. I'm trying to think where I've been now, but I've been to most of the places in Spain, really. I've had several holidays in Mallorca, for instance. And I've been on the mainland as well. I like the Costa del Sol, to be honest with you. I love the Costa del Sol. I know it's supposed to be a bit down market, but it's always sort of suited me, you know. I've always been there in the sort of autumn-winter Costa del Sol, you know.
So it's very important to you that you're still able to take risks, isn't it?
Well, yes, that I lead a bit of a life. Yeah. I mean, I'm 80, I know, but I mean, people do go on after 80 for quite a while sometimes.
Absolutely. It's the quality of life that counts, isn't it?
I would like to lead the last years of my life, you know, as I want to, really.
I'm so very proud of the work that we do here at Pen-Coed, particularly our holidays, and it's lovely to know that it's being replicated at the other homes within the Dale Road groups.